Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to do a cross halving joint. Now a cross halving joint is like that, so it's taken away half of the timber this side with another piece half there, and to put the two together we've got ourselves what's known as a cross halving joint. Once that's glued and screwed together, it's quite strong. Okay, this is how we're going to do it. Bit of 2x1 that I've got is what's known as rough sawn, and I've cut them to the length, which is 26 inches. That's the height that we're going to have for the table legs. Now if it's rough sawn, I could run it through a thicknesser to smooth off these rough edges, but every time you put it through the thicknesser you seem to lose a little bit of the size. So all I want to do is to smooth it off. So I'm just going to sand it, but I'll sand all four sides, I'll take the corners off, and then I'll take these little sharp edges off here, so it's just a little bit nicer to hold when we're working with the timber. Okay, now let's get it sanded up. What I'm going to do is turn on the dust extractor, which is taking it through this tube and outside into a collection bag. Then turn on my sander. I'll take off these splinters first. On the other end. Now I'm going to take off the face. The face. Head. Happy with head. I'm going to take off the corners. Move the corners off. Just check it then. There's a knot there, so a bit thin. I'll run those across the corner. Just a little bit harder. That's smoother. There's a little splinter there, so a bit more there. Okay, it's a lot easier to handle now, but I haven't lost too much of the thickness. Okay, we've got a pile of them now to work in. I'm now going to cut a cross halving joint chop saw. Let's have a look, see how we get on with that one. I'm going to be using the saw, but to go through on the slide action, it won't cut all the way through to the back because the stop runs up here. So I put a piece of timber in front which enables the saw to get through, so the centre line is in line with the edge of the timber there. So that'll just right work. I'll set another piece of timber back here, which is half the width, is the width of the timber, so that when I line it up it should say. So I've clamped this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just cut through. Now it's a little bit rough there. I'm cleaning this up with the saw. It's called French planing. There you are. It's taken a lot of the effort out of it. Okay, let's get on, and I'll be back in a bit once we've cut all the wood.